Hi everyone, it's Kate from Awakening Your Abundance Creatively, and I thought I'd jump on and just do a quick video about affirmations. Basically, affirmations are self-talk. So whatever you're saying to yourself is an affirmation, whatever you say out loud is an affirmation. But I think the most damaging ones are the ones we say to ourselves, the little ego chatter that goes on in our minds. So you really need to be aware of what you're saying, because there are such things as negative affirmations. So all the ones of I'm useless, I'm not doing enough, I'm lazy, I'm fat, I'm broke, I spend too much, whatever it might be, they are affirmations. They're little seeds that you're implanting into your subconscious. So I've got a tag here. I just went through the little manifesting journal that I've done and had a look at the tags that I've got, and this is actually the background that I'm doing for the next course, which will be available to you lovely ladies that purchase it. So this tag is really relevant to that. It's gratitude is the law of increase, complaint is the law of decrease, and that's a really powerful one to remember, because you can say your positive affirmations in the morning for 5 minutes, and then once you step out the door and start being involved in negative conversations, that counteracts everything that you have, the work that you have been doing with your positive self-talk and affirmations in the morning. So just be really mindful of that. It might be, well, it's probably a good reason why your affirmations aren't working. Again, it's the feelings around things. Unfortunately, when we say our negative self-talk and negative affirmations, we tend to put a lot of feeling behind that, compared to when we say our positive affirmations. So we need to flip that around. More emotional feelings in the positive, and stay away from the negative. You know, if you catch yourself doing or saying anything negative, or thinking anything negative, or saying it out loud, I should say, congratulate yourself that you've actually caught it. Don't beat yourself up for it. Congratulate yourself that you've caught it, and think about what you do want. You know, so if you're complaining that there's not enough money, what do you want? How much money do you want? What would you like to be able to do with that money? That's just an example. So remember that one. Very powerful. Gratitude is the law of increase. Complaint is the law of decrease. Hope you enjoyed today's little affirmation spiel rant. I will be trying to jump on and do one every couple of days, or at least once or twice a week, just to keep you in the know of why things might not be working. I'm going to cover affirmations to start with, so I'll be doing a few more of those. So keep your eyes and ears peeled and your thoughts and words positive. Bye.